Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to show you guys a tip in case you guys didn't know. So this is the creek, also our driveway, and it's quite a bit up today. And you know, normally this creek is maybe 12 inches deep, and the water right now is up, I would say, about 4 feet. And just as an indicator, I drew this line in the sand right here, and you can see that water keeps rippling closer to that line. So it just touched the line. So we're about to get more rain, and they're calling for severe weather. You can see those clouds are real dark back there. Get all this runoff. And if you look over here, you'll see these debris lines right there and right there. And that indicates that at one time that water was that high. At that highest line right there, the water was probably about 10 foot deep and what's usually 12 inches. So just remember, if you guys are hiking in waterways and stuff like that, to keep an eye on these kind of things. And don't go out and do them when they're stormy, because something that might be 12 inches could be 10 feet. Thank you guys for watching.